Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kajela uba Preston Tensong. Ubalong ru uwe nagi Chairman jengki Regional Committee belathung da kasorkar. Banya penbet ya kajingya kajaput hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat Assam. Hakasri baar ulaong banaki Henry teli ki jaka badan kajingya kajya. La banong laon la neem ban penbet baro. Henry ulapan pau ya kajing kermen baki armut ki Menteri Rangba kin la ban penbet hakikat du kat ni ki jaka. Laban kedau baki dan khat arteli ki jaka badan kajingya ka Japun hapdeng ke Meghalaya bat ka Assam. Haga benta ka beningkong lajiet chwa henriu teli ki jaka ki badan haribhoy West Khasi Hills bat Janda Hills ban penben. Latharu daki Regional Committee nambaro arliang mamla bat kini ki committee ki lalet ban jurep ya kishnong ki thau haribhoy bat West Khasi Hills. Nakaliang kini ki Regional Committee kenha banpha ya ka kaipot jongki syaka sorkar haswa bagi Menteri Rangba ka Meghalaya bat Assam kin ya syong ban perkhan ka ka sinjam bagi dei ban shim ban ya penbet no ya ka jing ya ka Japun.
When we went there, let me just tell you one thing. Our principle is very clear. Not necessarily in terms of voice vote, not necessarily in terms of raising hands, that it is finalized, yes, this is Meghalaya, this is Assam. Because ultimately, see, geographically, historically, and thirdly is even administratively, we need to take all this into consideration. So therefore, we don't talk much. We are there. I am from the Meghalaya state. Why should I, unnecessarily show my immaturity by saying, oh, you don't talk, or let them talk. So, there's no harm. Some people, they create, they trying to make an issue on this. But I'm just telling you, there is no issue at all, because ultimately, both the chief ministers will sit down and according to the report to be submitted from Assam side and then from Meghalaya side, they will sit down again and then work out the modality how to go about it.
They say that all these years, it was never resolved, the border dispute between Assam and Meghalaya, and now NPP-led NDA government is very confident that before Christmas at least they'll be able to resolve.
Yeah.
Do you think that if not resolving all the 12, at least some areas of differences will be reduced from 12 and come down to some number?
See, that's what now the first phase. I think you are aware about it. The first phase we decided in the level of both the chief ministers that we will inspect and we will zero down up to 6 area of differences. So this is the first phase, and these 6 areas of differences falls under Ribhoi district and then West Khasi district and also Janda district. So another 6 again, once this solution is met, then we will go for the second phase. And I'm very hopeful because both the chief ministers, they are very, very open-minded, and both of them also, they said we really wanted to solve this problem once and for all, and this is for the interest of both the people of Meghalaya and also the people of Assam. So I am very sure. I don't know how many out of 6, how many areas we can resolve it, but I am very, very sure at least few areas will be able to resolve in the level of both their chief ministers.